What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something cool for you today. New product from Traxxas, which you may already be able to see behind me there. Probably not a big surprise to many of you, seeing as how it's been sort of public news, but we wanted to check it out, show some differences, get it out of the box, and check out this cool new rock crawler. Let's check it out. Alright guys, of course it is the new TRX4 from Traxxas, the new lifted Chevy pickup truck. It's looking pretty cool. We did in fact get the red one today, which I will take out of the box in a minute, but of course we'll show you the box real quick. Nothing too crazy going on here. Typical Traxxas packaging, cardboard box with the styrofoam in there. It's pretty cool. They're showing a couple different trucks there. Factory long arm lift kit and 2.2 wheels, which is what is making this one obviously more unique than the other ones, because I believe this is the first truck to come with the lift kit pre-installed. And of course, on a fresh body, there's the black one, which looks also very nice. Like I said, we did get the red one. There's your two options on the back of the box, red and black at the moment. But knowing Traxxas, I'm sure more colors or different schemes will come out. That's kind of what they do at this point. Side shot of the box, all your typical Traxxas pictures. Nothing too out of the ordinary as far as electronics. Really just the big thing being the body and the long arm kit mixed with the 2.2 tires and wheels, a new combo there. This one does have the locking diffs. Looks like there's some spots for lights and stuff. Standard wheel wells. Nothing too crazy, but it is looking good. Obviously showing you over an inch more of ground clearance. So that's enough about the box. We'll get this out of here and show you the truck. All right, so the truck, guys, looking pretty good. Even nicer in person. More kind of a deeper kind of racing red in this truck. We do have side mirrors, nice grille detail, chrome bumpers, nice, this is just a sticker of chrome pinstriping. Door handles are plastic on the side. We do have some running boards lined up with the bottom of the body. Chrome hitch in the back with the, or chrome bumper with the tow hitch, my bad, and then nice bezels around the lights. A little bit of an inset bed, nothing too crazy, just enough to give it a little bit of depth. But you could probably put a couple things back there that look kind of cool. So this is the regular cab with the regular bed on it. And of course, the star of the show being the lift kit with the wheels and tires. But also with this truck is coming with a clipless body as well, as you can see here and here. It's got the under the wheel wells clips. I don't know if I can show you guys this on video. It's kind of hard, but underneath the wheel well, if you reach in, there's a little clip. So this isn't the first truck to have this, obviously. I think the Corvette, I want to say the Fortec 3.0 Corvette was the first one to implement it, and then the Ford Bronco. I believe the Bronco came after the Vet. Could be wrong on that, but those are the only two trucks that have it so far. And then the Revo came with it. Now we're getting it on a scale truck, and honestly the system works great. It's super easy for them to come off with these little clips, and it's honestly very easy to put back on. The only trouble is when it comes to aftermarket bodies. It makes it kind of hard to put aftermarket bodies on. You kind of have to either switch to body posts, which I'm hoping they gave the mounts for. I didn't even look. And of course, yes, they did. So it clicks in to the wheel wells here. But they did give you the body post. I'm assuming you just have to buy the body post kit afterward, which isn't a horrible deal because they're not terribly expensive. But enough about the body with the clipless. That's pretty cool. Now we'll move on to the lift kit, which is the second, or I'd say probably the first biggest thing. So it does have the long arm lift kit, and it is, from what I'm told, a longer wheelbase to kind of compensate with the larger tire size. Rims and tires do look great on this truck. I was worried that it might look a little too big. Sometimes the 2.2 wheels are kind of too big for the scale trucks, in my opinion, but honestly it kind of matches pretty good with this truck and this body. I believe that's why they went with the longer wheelbase. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. I don't just kind of body sitting on there, but very nice. And then on the inside, typical Traxxas TRX4 setup here, nothing too crazy. Looking pretty good. So like I said, I did grab a TRX4 Sport to kind of compare the size here with. So I'm gonna throw the body back on here, which is pretty nice. Gotta line it up there. The antenna blocking me a little on that side. So we get the body on this truck. I'll grab the Sport. So here's one of our TRX4 Sports, and I'm gonna try to get you guys a better camera angle of them side by side, but for right on this angle. Ugh. So this Sport is obviously one of our rental trucks. It's been used a little bit, but side by side here, yeah, a little hard to tell. Let me get you guys a better angle. All right, so coming in here, flying manual with the camera. So front lined up, here they are lined up nose to nose. The new truck's significantly taller than the new wheels. You can see the axle height, definitely a good bit more clearance. They claimed about 1 inch, which I agree with. See if I can get this lined up. Roof line, definitely taller. So it's definitely a significantly bigger truck. I think that angle shows the best size difference. So yeah, to be expected obviously with the lift kit compared to a Sport. Now the other thing I wanted to see was that wheelbase. All right, so that wheelbase, we got those front tires pretty much lined up on edge in the front there. So if we go over to the back, you can see how much longer it is there, probably at least 1 inch or so. Sorry if I bumped the mic there, it's a little bit hard to get this angle, but definitely a much longer truck. There's the tail end of it. You can see the size. I'm sitting about level with the TRX4 Sport right there. So definitely a good bit bigger. So I just wanted to compare that to show you guys. So the new Traxxas truck looking like a pretty solid addition to the Traxxas TRX4 lineup. Obviously a very cool, and I'm gonna call it a legendary body because I know a lot of people have had this truck in the past. Very nostalgic body, I guess. This Chevy pickup truck. And coupled with the lift kit that you don't have to put on, comes pre-installed, which is really cool. I can see this definitely being a bit of a collector truck, and I don't see why it wouldn't perform well either. Looks like they set it up quite well. The longer wheelbase looks like it was a good move, kind of compensate for those bigger tires. I think it's another great truck by Traxxas, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned for more RC Madness videos, and obviously swing down to the shop, check it out. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.